Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today you're gonna get ready with me. I'm gonna show you how to do this Smokey cat eye tutorial and how to party in lockdown, because we have no other place where to go, isn't it? So why not just get ready to party in the house? I also just wanted to mention that when I started filming this video, my SD card gave up on me, so while I was putting my foundation, now I don't have that part anymore. So just to let you know, I was using my Kat Von D foundation for this video, and I will link down below the rest of the products that I've been using for this makeup.
Listening to music created by machines, silicon memories remembering the key. I'll sing to metal music. Invent a clever chorus, synthesize a theme, copy complex tempos, add the melody. I'll sing to metal music. Electronic audio, hear it on your radio, watch it on your video, dance it at your disco. I'll sing to metal music. Rhythmic feedback noise from electrodes. Electrodes! Rhythmic feedback noise from electrodes. Electrodes! Watch it on your video, dance it at your disco. Let go, let go, let go, let go. Electronic audio, electronic audio, electronic audio, electronic audio. Listening to music created by machines, silicon memories remembering the key. I'll sing to metal music. Invent a clever chorus, synthesize a theme, compute complex tempos, add the melody. I'll sing to metal music. Electronic audio, hear it on your radio, watch it on your video, dance it at your disco. Let go, let go, let go, let go. Electronic audio, electronic audio, electronic audio, electronic audio. Rhythmic feedback noise from electrodes. Electrodes. Created by machines. I'll sing electronic audio, audio, the radio, the radio, the video, the video, the disco, disco, disco. Let go, 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 let
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what would you like to see next on my YouTube channel. Until then, please stay safe and take care of each other, and I will see you next time. Bye!